Hello everybody and welcome to Cats Meow Designs. Today I am going to show you the August Bargain Bead Box. So this month's theme is Bohemian Nights. We're celebrating the Celestial with this free-spirited collection starring a high-quality cubic zirconia pendant and matching charms, plus turquoise magnesite, Carillion quartz, and more. We love the colorful crystal accents and 18 karat gold plated findings. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So our first one is this 34 by 30 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia round pendant. It's lead free, cadmium free, and nickel free. And it retails for $7.99. Look how cute that is. I love it. Already comes with a jump ring. Excellent. The next piece is you get two of these 16 by 14 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia star charms, lead free, cadmium free, and they also retail for $7.99. So these are so cute. Okay, our next one is 8 millimeter magnesite dyed and heated round beads in turquoise blue. These go for $7.99. So pretty. I don't have a lot of blue in my bead collection, so I am excited to add some of these. And I was just thinking the other day that I wished that I had more blue jewelry. So I am super pumped about this month's box. So for our next one, we have 6 millimeter synthetic turquoise man-made matte round beads. The strand is 15 inches. I went ahead and took it off of the strand to make it a little easier. But these will come in a strand. For the next one, we have 6 millimeter blue agate dyed heated faceted round beads. The strand of these is 7 inches and they retail for $5.99. So we see we have some beautiful variation in each particular bead. So that is going to be so beautiful. Next, we have 10 pieces of 18 karat gold plated brass moon phase beads. These retail for $3.99. So we see we have some full moons, we have some crescent moons. All of them are gorgeous. Next we have 4 millimeter golden red teal quartz faceted round beads. It is a 15-inch strand and it retails for $8.99. Hopefully these are easy to see. They are very light colored. They do have also some variation in the coloring as well. Next, we have 8 millimeter star cut Carillion dyed faceted round beads. The strand is 7 inches and it retails for $5.99. I love this color. This is probably one of my favorite colors, especially as we go into fall. I never think of that color going well with blue, so I'm excited to try it out and see how it works. So next we have 6 by 5 millimeter faceted crystal lantern beads in teal iris. The strand is 7 inches and retails for $4.99. Get a couple of those. I love this lantern shape. It's so beautiful and so sparkly. Next we have 3 by 2 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in Bohemian Mix. So with this one there are quite a few different colors with these, as you can see, but they are all so pretty. All right, next we have 10 pieces of 14 by 10 millimeter glass crescent moon beads in champagne. These retail for $1.99. Oh my goodness, look at that gold shimmer. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, the next ones are probably my favorite. You get 10 pieces. They're 13 millimeter glass moon and star coin in blue steel. They retail for $1.99. I'm probably going to buy more because I'm super excited. And these have little stars and moons engraved in them. And the color is just so cute. Also, I don't have a lot of coin beads, so to me that is a great thing to mix it up. Here we go, get things straightened up a little bit again. So next we have 20 pieces of 10 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in jade blue. They retail for $3.99. Let's take a look. So those are really pretty. Those will go well, especially with these and these. And if you wanted to offer some variety, like a monochromatic look, those probably too. So cute. Okay, so next we have 2 pieces of 19 by 7 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia moon charms. They retail for $3.99. So these are just teeny tiny little moon charms, so those are super cute. Next we have 4 pieces of 22 millimeter by 16 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass crescent moon links. These are nickel free and are $2.99. So let's look at these. Okay, those are so cute. So you have the connector at the top of the moon, and then a connector at the bottom. Awesome! And that goes right into our next piece, which is a 30 by 21 millimeter 18 karat gold plated brass chandelier pendant link. It is lead free, cadmium free, retails for $1.49. So this is basically just the big version of that. I feel like that hole is supposed to be drilled. But I'm not sure either way. Super cute. I'm going to put that with the other pieces so that way I don't lose them. So next we have 8 pieces of 10 by 7 millimeter 18 karat gold plated stainless steel hypoallergenic moon charms. They retail for $2.99. And so these are just, I'm missing some, but anyways, just cute little moon charms. I'm going to add them to this because we do have 21 pieces total in our box this month, and so I need to conserve my spaces. Okay, so next we have 100 pieces of 3.5 by 2.5 millimeter faceted cubic spacer beads. They are lead free, nickel free, cadmium free. and they retail for $2.49. Okay, so these are just super tiny, but they're so cute, and I love spacer beads. Okay. Next, we have 100 pieces of 6mm filigree bead caps. They're lead-free, cadmium-free, and retail for $1.49. I love these kind of lacy bead caps also. Alright, so we have 2 items left. The next one is a gold finish brass and cubic zirconia moon fold over clasp, and this retails for $4.99. I have never had a clasp like this before, so I'm curious. Oh, okay, I see. To see how it works. Oh, okay, I see. I saw somebody in the group make a beautiful bracelet with this, and so I think that's kind of the direction I'm currently heading in. Okay, and last but not least, we have this 1 meter of 3x2mm stainless steel hypoallergenic cable chain for $4.99. I think we all know what chain looks like. So I'll just put that in there. But so that is the Bohemian Nights box. I am so excited to create things with this box. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me as we look to see what's inside. I'll see you next time. Bye!